Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you are all doing well today. I am back to share with you some new products that were sent to me for review. These are some storage products for diamond painting. These ones were sent to me by One Day Savings. Their website is onedaysavings.com. I will have the links for you down below. They did send me two of their new storage products that they have. I have the links for both of these, and they also did send me a 5% coupon code for you guys. So I will put that in the description down below. It is case sensitive. It's Elliot05 off, but there's all different cases in there. So check it out down below. Just copy and paste for 5% off your purchase from One Day Savings. So they sent me these two products, and these are new to the diamond painting industry. So this one is a felt storage folder, and it's pretty cute. It's a really nice thick felt fabric. This does come in red and purple. There are 18 slots in here, and it's kind of like, I guess I would think of like a card storage, but there's smaller sections in there that you can put your bags of diamond paint or diamond drills. It comes with a huge bag of baggies for your drills, and once you would have your drills in there, you would just slide them into the little storage. It's a little thick because that's the whole thing of baggies, but that is it. And it came with these stickers also, so you can label them to what color you have. And I think that this would be pretty good too if you're taking one away from the house to do, like, you're working on diamond painting while you're going away for the day, if you have appointments, or you're going on a little mini vacation. Yeah, so that's pretty cute. This is $8.88. That is Canadian because I'm in Canada, so I'm looking at Canadian prices. Little felt storage bag. So check that one out. And the next thing that they sent me, I'm sure that you guys have seen these. This all came in one of the plastic mailing bags. I'm sure you guys have seen these, but this is the 30 by 40 storage folio for your diamond paintings. So it is really awesome. There's the little label if you guys want to read that. It just says clear book, 30 pockets, A3, which is 30 by 40, and this one's porcelain green. So it does come in pink, green, yellow, and white. And let me see where is my sticky to open it. I don't see a sticky, so we're just gonna use scissors. Just to get this plastic off so I can put some diamond paintings in here to show you guys. So this one from One Day Savings is $17.78, which is pretty good for a 30 by 40 portfolio. And it's a really nice thick plastic. And right here on the back side, let me open this so you guys can see, is a little pocket so that you can label it. So this comes out. Just use this as a guide to cut another piece of paper, or you can just flip it around if you want to write on it. Put a little label in there if you're going to sort out your diamond paintings. I kind of have an idea for mine. I was going to use, because I do have two of these now, I was going to use one for finished paintings and one for unfinished paintings. So again, the cover is a really nice sturdy plastic. I don't see that getting damaged in any way. And then the pockets themselves are a nice thick plastic. You do have to get them open, and of course there's going to be some static there. But that's really great. So let me just pause for a second, and I'm going to grab some of my diamond paintings and we're going to slide them in here. Okay, I am back, and I just grabbed a few. Just going to place them under here. And I'm gonna grab this first one. And just slide them in. Ta-da! So there's the first one. Super cute. Keep it nice and stored flat and free of cat fur. Now, I am not sure if I am going to do 2 in each sleeve. I'm going to put 2 in here just so we can see that it fits. But for finished diamond paintings, I think it might get a bit heavy, but we will see. So there is 2. You can see they both fit in there, still staying in there. Love this one. There we go, that one fits in there well too. You might come into some situations where if they're cut on the large side, you might have to trim it down just a tiny bit. But for me, I don't like to trim off the edges until I know if I'm going to frame it or if I'm going to give it away, because you don't know if you're going to need that extra border around the edge for framing purposes. But this will be really good because right now I just keep them stored in a box, which is good because it keeps them away from the cat fur, but this would be a nice way to flip through them, take a look at them, enjoy them, instead of them just sitting in a box. But as you can see, they are super easy to get in there. One last one here. The dragon eye. You just need to pinch and kind of unstick them from each other. There you go. So that is what it looks like right now, and that is with 2, 4, 6, 7. So there are 30 pages, so I would say technically then if you put 2 in each, you could fit 60 diamond paintings in here. But I think that is really awesome. A great storage for those finished diamond paintings that you're not putting in frames yet and you just want to keep them stored flat and covered. That's awesome. All right, so again, great products, great website, check it out, ONEDAYSAVINGS.com. And again, don't forget the coupon code for 5% off discount. We'll have it down below, and I'll have both of these products linked for you also. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.